Hi, this is Gary from landofcoins.com. Thanks for clicking on this video and watching it. Today we're going to talk about the 1793 half cent, the Liberty Cap half cent with the head facing left. Specifically the Variety-1. There are 4 varieties of the Liberty Cap half cent, and we're going to talk about the first one, the Variety-1, which will be designated on a graded coin as a B1 or a C1. And we'll have other videos on what the letters mean. All you got to know is that it's a Variety-1. I'm going to go to the computer and pull up a big image of the coin, the obverse, the front of the coin, and also the reverse, the back of the coin. And I'm going to highlight what to look for to identify a Variety-1 1793 half cent.
1793 Liberty Cap half cent, Variety-1. I'm going to show you how you can identify the characteristics of this version. The first characteristic we're going to look at, we're going to go through the obverse and show you the characteristics of the obverse, the front of the coin. If you look at the word Liberty, you're going to notice the L and the I are on the same level. On other versions, the L is a lot lower than the I. This one is on the same level. Also, in the center of the coin, there is no dot in the center. Some of them have a very pronounced dot. Almost looks like somebody put a little droplet of metal to stick on it. And this one does not have a dot in the center of the coin. Also, the bust line underneath the neck, it actually goes up, and it's a very smooth curve here. It almost flows with the hair. On other versions, it hooks. It hooks a lot where it almost points straight down to the 3. Kind of comes down on an angle rather than being very smooth like this. The 7 is much closer to the rim compared to the 9. The bottom of the 7 and the bottom of the 9. The 7's closer to the rim. We'll go to the reverse now, and on you'll notice there's branches. You have a left branch and a right branch that surround the words half cent. You need to have 15 leaves on the left branch and 16 leaves on the right branch. Also, you'll see these little strings of berries coming out of the branches. You'll see the little strings of berries. You got to count those too. On this version, Variety-1, there's 10 on the left and 10 on the right. Some of the other varieties take leaves. You'll have 14 leaves and maybe 8 berries on different branches. But this one has 15 and 10 berries, 16 leaves, and 10 strings of berries. And we'll count them. Leaves, 1 on the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, we're good there. The string of berries, you got to count the strings, not the individual berries, not the little dots. The strings, and they are kind of hard to see sometimes. We'll go through these. There's one there and one there. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. So that one matches. Over here, 16 leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, we're good there. And the berry lines. 1. Oh, there's one down here on the bottom. That one's always hard to see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we're good there. So far, so good. Also, at the end of America, the word America, you'll see a period. Almost looks like a berry fell off the branch. But they call it a period at the end of America. And also you'll notice that the center of the reverse was cut kind of shallow. In the middle of the coin, it's a lot lower. The surface is lower compared to the outer surface of the coin. Like where these words are, United States of America, it kind of goes down to the center, and that's why the words half cents, you can hardly see them. What they call this is a weak strike, because you can hardly see the letters because it's the base, the center of this coin is lower than the outer area of the coin. So when the die hit it, it doesn't press as hard. So it's very common to see the half cents not struck properly, and on some worn coins you might not even see half cent at all. It'll actually be gone, it disappeared, and that's okay, and that's common on the Variety-1 1793 half cent. There's another advanced tip and trick of determining Variety-1, because you can be a little confused on this, and if you know this, you're going to be an expert at identifying a Variety-1 1793 half cent. Everything is the same pretty much on the obverse and on the reverse, except for on the reverse, and they do believe that this coin, this was like the last few coins that were made. They don't really know how many of these were made this way, but what happened was, if you look at the top right of the reverse, you'll see the rim looks almost like it's damaged. It kind of like got folded over, almost like it was cut and folded over. This is a characteristic of a Variety-1 1793 half cent, but this actually is another Variety-1, and it's very rare. They don't know how many were actually made. It is the reverse in its latest form, meaning this was probably one of the last ones made, and it extends anywhere. It extends from the F and the of all the way down to the E. The F and the of all the way down to the E in America, and you can see how it's folded over right along the rim here compared to the other. So just another characteristic of a Variety-1 is in rare form. If you find one of these, you should buy it because it's extremely rare.
Well, I hope you liked that tutorial on how to identify a 1793 Liberty Cap half cent Variety-1, C-1 or B-1 as it's called on the grading slabs. And remember, if you haven't gone to landofcoins.com yet, you can actually buy and sell your rare coins with no buyer's fees and no seller's fees. Just a small monthly payment. You can save yourself a lot of money using landofcoins.com. My name's Gary. Thank you for watching this video.